In this video, we are going to explore using select cards in your pages. Select cards allow you to select specific items to create lists from existing content. You can create select card listings for events, news posts, people, pages, and videos. To add a select card block, start by navigating to the block menu and selecting a card with the content type you want it to be populated with. Once it's on your page, you can start editing it to contain the information that you want. Each card type has a similar way you can enter in information, where you look for pre-existing content based on the specific card you added in. Then suggestions will appear on the drop-down just below, and you select the desired content. Once you have added in the content that you want to add, you can customize their order by either using the drag or the left and right arrow buttons located on the options pop-up. The options menu for the block can be seen on the right side of the display, and any of these card types can be customized like any other card. By finishing those steps, you have now successfully added Select Card to a page.